Here's how you can make over $760 by telling your friends about the new free gift from Noah course. It's called the 7-Figure Fast Track. You go to freegiftfromnoah.com. You are watching this because I have invited you to participate in this awesome promotion. So here it is, very simple. There's a free course at freegiftfromnoah.com. Then there we have upsells here, get unstuck now, and then high ticket coaching. So there is everything that you are going to get, a commission value of 50%. So you have a potential earning per opt-in of $764 per person. That is pretty cool. So here's all you have to do. Just click these buttons. Sign up to become an affiliate. If you are not already, just go to noahstjohn.com/JV. Fill in your information. I pay you on PayPal. If you're already an affiliate, you log in there. All you do is go there, and then you will see that you log in here. And let's say this is you right here. I'm logged in under Babette's name. You just click this button right here, 7-Figure Fast Track, and there it'll take you right there. And then that is your affiliate link. That'll be your special number. There you can track your commissions, your statistics. There we've got images for you, and I have even written all of the swipe copy for you to send to your list. You can send it to your email list. You can do it on social media, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever you want to do, LinkedIn. So there you go. It's that simple, and you can make $760 or more just by telling your friends about this amazing promotion. So I look forward to helping you make a lot of money, and I look forward to being a part of your success story. We'll see you soon.